Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. Eight minus one is equal to 7. Multiply one minus eight is equal to minus 7 is equal to 7 multiply minus 7 is equal to minus 49. Okay, but this answer is completely wrong because according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve parentheses, then we have to solve exponent, then we have to solve multiplication, division. Multiplication, division both have same priority. Therefore, we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. Also, addition and subtraction have same priority. Therefore, we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using PEMDAS rule. Therefore, the first priority is parenthesis. Okay. So 8 minus 1. Now solve this parenthesis. 1 minus 8 is equal to minus 7. Okay. Now here is a minus and here is a multiply. Okay. So second priority is multiply. Therefore 8. Now multiply minus 7 multiply minus 1 is equal to plus 7. Okay. Now add 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Therefore the correct answer is 15. Okay. If you like this problem, then please like my video and share my channel with your friends and families. Okay. And subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel.